Students, hope you all are well. Dear students, you are watching class 7 science chapter number 1st, nutrition in plants, part 9. Dear students, in the last video we discussed a special case of photosynthesis. In this video we will discuss synthesis of other plant food. So let's start. Carbohydrates that are made by the plants during photosynthesis. Dear students, we know very well plants make their food in the form of a glucose, which is called simple carbohydrate, are composed of carbon, oxygen and hydrogen. We know the formula of glucose C6H12O6. Using these elements, plant also synthesize other component of food such as fat, vitamins and protein. Dear student, plant also synthesize vitamins. Vitamins are found in our vegetables, fruits and cereals. Apart from carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, protein also contain nitrogen. Dear students, protein are substances which contain nitrogen. Although air contains 78% gaseous nitrogen, plant never take gaseous nitrogen directly. Plants cannot absorb it directly from the air. This nitrogen is converted into usable form. Usable form means to say this nitrogen convert into water soluble form, which is released into the soil. This nitrogen is converted into usable form by certain bacteria present in the soil. That bacteria is also called nitrogen fixing bacteria, for example rhizobium. The converted nitrogen can be observed by the plant. Dear students, as I told you, plants never take the nitrogen directly from the atmosphere. Soil has a bacteria. That bacteria is called what? Rhizobium, which takes the atmospheric nitrogen and convert into water soluble nitrogen components like nitrates and release into the soil. These nitrates are absorbed by the plants along with the water. Some plants also have certain bacteria in their root which help to convert nitrogen into usable form in the soil. Dear students, some plants, suppose that we are just taking example of sunflower and mustard, convert simple carbohydrate glucose into oil and store them into their seeds. Sometimes the farmers add nitrogen rich fertilizers to the soil. Dear student, fertilizer are also rich in the nitrogen, so farmers add fertilizers to enhance the fertility of soil. In this way, plants fulfill the requirement of nitrogen to synthesize food component other than carbohydrate like vitamins. Dear students, come to the let's investigates which plants food that we are eat good source of protein. List at least 5. Find out how to include these protein rich plant food in your daily diet. And dear students, in this question you can write the example of chickpea, peanuts, almond, lentils. Okay, these are the example which are very good source of protein. Now come to the knowledge check. Fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. First, organisms that prepare their own food using simple substances from their surrounding are called autotrophs. Second, the opening and closing of stomata are controlled by guard cells. Third, chlorophyll is present in structures are called chloroplasts. Now come to the fourth. During photosynthesis, plant take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Now come to the fifth. Glucose is stored in parts of the plant in the form of starch. Dear students, hope you understood. You have to read your homework is you have to read this paragraph carefully. Thank you. Stay home. Be safe.